Hey! Hi guys, welcome to my new video. Today, I'm gonna show you guys how to download esign. And don't download any app like Roblox Delta. Something like that. So make sure to follow all my steps correctly. Now let's get into the video. So the thing you should do is go on Safari, type this. Look at the website, and now tap it. Type it in Safari. So now, when you are in the website, you should scroll down. Go to Assign Bypass Reward and click on the second one. Assign this one. Click on the second one. I won't do it because I already did it. And after you download that, it's gonna say to accept the profile. So you gonna go in the settings, accept it, and it's gonna restart your phone. iPad, something like that. And after that you download the DNS profile is to make the certificate last longer. And after that, you have to click, to download the certificate. You have to click File IPA Assign to download that. And it's gonna download every certificate in here. After you done all of these steps, you will have esign on your iPad or phone. So we are now in esign. You can just download apps by typing the name. Like Minecraft, Delta, stuff like that, or just go by download wait. You can install your own certificates if you want. You can see the certificates right now that I have. And you could download your own like this. You can download your own. If you have an IPA file, you can put it in it and download it through this. So you just type the URL, and that's it. So this was for the video. It was a quick tutorial on how to show you to download it. And it to be best if you guys will follow and leave a like for more videos like this.